A population of rabbits in a certain forest can be modeled using a sinusoidal function of time. A minimum population of 500 rabbits occurs at month 3. The next maximum population of 540 rabbits occurs at month 9. What is the period of the sinusoidal model? Okay, so it starts out by saying, at 3, you have 500 rabbits. Okay, 500 rabbits. And then it says the next maximum, which is key, happens at 9. And that maximum is going to be 540 rabbits. So 540 right there. So if this is sinusoidal, you're going to look like this, which means this is half of a period. So to complete the process, if it takes 6 to get half of a period, that means the next half of the period, or to complete the period, you're going to add 6 to 9, which is 15. So this guy can come back down and complete its cycle at 500 again. Okay, so what is the period of the sinusoidal model? Well, 15 minus 3 gives you a period of 12. 12 months, a year. For those of you who don't know what 12 months is.